Edgevantage works by taking a business process, breaking it down to its component tasks, allocating a task to a user or a group, tracking the performance of the task with a comprehensive audit trail, whilst allowing documents to be attached, and capturing data entered at each task through checklists and data entry forms. The platform uses the entered data for indexing documents and routing the process. Edgevantage ensures the process is followed every time, while tracking performance against service level agreements and calculating turnaround times for work done. There are 4 banks who use Lending Edge to manage their underwriting processes. Standard Chartered Bank. All personal credit cards and personal loans. Scanning the mandate at the branch processing based on an image. Doc check, verification and crib grading at central ops. Fraud checks and fraud investigations with over 31 complex pattern matches. Debt service ratio generation. Loan and card approval based on 2-step approval and DA-based selection of underwriters. Union Bank uses the platform to manage credit card approvals and SME loans, scanning the mandate and image-based processing, underwriting based on a set DA, document archival. Ceylon Bank. All credit cards, all personal and SME loans, scanning mandates, doc check, verification and crib grading at central ops, scorecard and debt service capability calculation, integrate to multiple core systems to create the card and loan, generating customer documents, offer letters, promissory notes, personal guarantees, customer alerts and interaction. DFCC Bank. All credit cards, all personal and mortgage loans, scanning mandates, doc check, verification and crib grading at central ops, scorecard and debt service capability calculation, customer grading, integrate to multiple core systems to create the card and loan, generating customer documents, offer letters, promissory notes, personal guarantees, customer alerts and interaction. The potential for the system is significant, with several developments and upgrades in the pipeline. Contactless application completion with a fully integrated front-end web application for customer data entry. Parameterized direct auto approval of applications based on CRIB score, DSC and scorecard. Auto calculation of limits and loan amounts based on exposure and debt service capacity. Enabling banks to deliver processes which are less dependent on customer contact and manual scrutiny of applications. Ideal for this current post-pandemic period. Lending Edge comes with an inbuilt pattern matching engine which allows banks to define potential fraud criteria. This is based on matching data between the application, CRIB and customer history details on the core system. An application identified as a potentially fraudulent application is then processed and investigated. The attached dashboard shows the progress of applications through the investigative process. The CRIB tool developed on Edgevantage is a unique tool that helps underwriters save time and ensure they get it right all the time. By auto-grading CRIB files of applicants and companies, the platform helps underwriters save time and improve accuracy rates in interpreting CRIB files. Each bank has a set of logic and goals which differ from product to product. The system allows this logic to be set in 2 steps. Step 1. Define the parameters using any field within the CRIB file. The system allows this logic to be set in 2 steps. By doing this, a 15-minute to 45-minute task performed by an underwriter is automated in a couple of seconds.